Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you how you can download videos from X or, as this application used to be called, Twitter. Don't forget, dear friends, please be sure to give it a like before watching this video. Also write comments and subscribe to the channel. But well, let us get started with you. And please open application X. Next, friends, you can go straight to the video section at the bottom. And this is where you can see the different videos. If any of the videos you'd like to download them, please click on the three dots on the bottom right, then add offline. And now you'll need to click on the update option. Why? Because this option to download videos from X, it is only available for premium subscription. Here you will be able to choose your premium subscription. It starts at $11. And once you have a premium subscription, you will be able to download various videos from Twitter. I really hope, dear friends, that this video was useful to you. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and subscribe to the channel. See you soon, friends.